Before you buy Cynema AI, you need to watch this video because I almost wasted my money. Everyone is calling this a game-changing AI tool, but that's not the full story. Let's be honest. Most AI tools today promise passive income, automated content, easy results. But what actually happens? You buy it, you try it, and nothing works like expected. You either waste time or feel like you got scammed. I've been there too. That's exactly why I tested Cynema AI myself. In this video, I'll show you what Cynema AI really does, what they don't tell you, whether it's worth buying, and who should avoid it completely. If you're thinking of buying, don't skip this. Because there's one thing I discovered halfway through testing that most reviews won't tell you. So Cynema AI is being sold as a fast AI content creation tool, a way to automate videos, a shortcut to making money online. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the truth. Every AI tool sounds good until you use it. Let me kill the biggest myth right now. This is not a push-button income tool, if that's what you're expecting. Don't buy it. There are two types of buyers: people who want shortcuts, people who want leverage. Cynema AI is only useful for the second group. Let's break down what you actually get. AI video generator, script creator templates. Content automation tools. Now on paper, it looks powerful. But features don't matter, results do. Let's test it. Step 1. Log in, simple dashboard. Step 2. Select template. Decent options. Step 3. Enter prompt. This is where most people mess up. And this is the exact reason why some people fail with this tool, while others get results. Step 4. Generate output speed equals fast quality equals depends. Day 1. Average results. Nothing special. First impression. Not worth it. Day 2. I improved prompts. Big difference. Now I started seeing better scripts, better flow. Day 3. Now I understood how to use it. And this is the turning point. Cynema AI doesn't make money. You do, using it. If you expect automation passive income, zero effort, you will fail. Let me answer the questions in your head. Is this a scam? No, but it's overhyped. Can beginners use it? Yes, but expect a learning curve. Will I make money? Only if you take action. You use it consistently. Here's where it wins. Saves time. Speeds up content creation. Beginner-friendly. Helps with ideas. Let's be brutally honest. Not automatic. Needs effort. Output. Needs editing. Marketing exaggerates results. This is why people get disappointed. Compared to other tools, easier than advanced AI tools, less powerful than premium software. It's a starter-level tool with potential. Front-end price is low, but upsells exist. This is normal in tools like this. Now here's the thing. Tools like this usually increase in price or remove bonuses. So if you're interested, it's better to check now than later. Beginners starting online, affiliate marketers, content creators, lazy mindset, expecting instant income, not willing to learn. Here's the honest truth. Cynema AI is useful, practical, not magical. If you treat it like a tool, you can benefit. If you treat it like a shortcut, you'll regret it. If you want to try Cynema AI, check the link in the description. Take your time, go through it, and decide if it fits you.